Hello everyone. So we are excited to share that now we are live with the new interface of Vira. So the navigation bar is moving to the left side for the easier access. The chat screens and the label screens are getting a fresh new look. So now there is another option for the label screen. You can create or edit labels by clicking on this label screen. So this is a new screen we have added in the Vira integration. Apart from this, if you want to raise a support ticket, or you want to check the documentations regarding the Vira, or you want to manage the access for the agents, you need to click on your profile in the bottom left corner. By clicking on this, you will get the options for users and role, where you can manage or access the agents admin rights. And if you want to see the account information, by click you can click on the account. If you want to check the documentations regarding Vira, by clicking on documents, you will get the knowledge base articles. Or if you want to raise a support ticket, you need to click on the support option here. Another option we have added in the Vira interface is the apps, a new app menu where you will be able to explore other high volume channel apps within the Vira itself. So same features, same functionality, a much improved interface built for a smoother experience. Thank you.